Hello friends, welcome back and learn verbs in English Urdu with sentences starting from the alphabet I to M. So let's start our video with this first word, that is an illustrate. मिसालों से समझाना. The teacher will illustrate how to do it. Imagine, तसव्वुर करना या फर्ज करना. I can imagine how you felt. Imply, तकलीद करना. Silence implies consent. Impress, मुतासिर करना. We are not impressed. Improve, सुधारना या बेहतर करना. I need to improve my French. Include, शामिल करना. Tom's lunch includes a sandwich and an apple. Incorporate, यकजा करना या शामिल करना. Her business was incorporated. Indicate, इशारा करना. The arrow indicates the way to go. Inform, आगाह करना या मुतल्ला करना. I will inform John about our decision. Insist, इसरार करना. She insisted on going there. Invest, सरमायाकारी करना या रुपया लगाना. He invested his money in stocks. Investigate, तफ्तीश करना या छानबीन करना. I came here to investigate Tom's death. Involve, शामिल करना या मुब्तला करना. This procedure involves testing each sample twice. Iron, इस्त्री करना. I iron my clothes almost every day. Jog, हिला देना या हल्के हल्के चलना. I made it a rule to jog every morning. Jump, कूदना या उछलना. Can you jump over the river? Justify, जवाज़ देना. My results justify taking drastic action. Keep, रखना. I keep thinking all alone in that place. Kick, ठोकर मारना या लात मारना. The kids love to kick a ball. Kneel और bow, झुकना. Do not run, stand, kneel or spin in the slide. Laugh, हंसना. Tom is laughing. Know, जानना. We know him. Lack, कमी होना या फुकदान होना. Tom seems to lack energy. Lead, जिंदगी गुजारना या रहनुमाई करना. Tom leads a quiet life. Lean, झुकाना. He leaned on his elbows. Leap, छलांग लगाना. Ken leapt over the wall. Learn, सीखना. I will learn to play cricket. Leave, छोड़ना. Leave me alone. Lend, कर्ज देना या उधार देना. Tom lent Mary his camera. lie in bed, लेटना बिस्तर पर, lie back down. Lift, ऊंचा करना या उठाना, he could not lift the table. Lie, not to tell the truth, झूठ, सच नहीं बताना, he hated lying. Like, पसंद करना या चाहना, he likes playing tennis. Listen, सुनना, why will not you listen? Look, देखना, it looks cold outside. Lose, खो जाना या हारना, she loses a book. Maintain, बरकरार रखना, he maintained his good life. Make, बनाना, I am making tea. Manage, इंतज़ाम करना या चलाना, I know him well, he can manage. Matter, अहमियत रखना या फ़र्क पड़ना, it doesn't matter dear. May, मुमकिन होना, each doctor may be responsible for up to 20 patients. Mean, मतलब होना, I didn't mean to hurt your sentiments. Measure, पैमाइश करना या नापना, I measured the room, it is 12 feet long. Meet, मिलना, we never met. Melt, पिघलना, the snow is melted. Mention, जिक्र करना या नाम लेना, he mentioned me his problem. Might, शायद, Zoheb might be able to come tomorrow, but it is very unlikely. Mind, बुरा मनाना, would you mind repeating what you just said? Thanks for watching. देखने के लिए शुक्रिया.